This is the Half Pint bag. It's constructed from a 100% lightweight nylon material that's also water resistant. This belt bag features a zip closure on the top, two-way zip with rope zipper pull accents. You have one internal pouch here to hold all your goodies. You know, your pine cone collection maybe. Do you collect those? I collect those. And your belt bag strap here, or could be crossbody wear, goes from 17 inches to 50 inches. You have elastic loop on here to hold any of your excess belt, a side release buckle with Cavu embossed logo. That's gonna ensure it is an authentic Cavu bag. On the back, you have an additional zip pocket closure with rope zipper pull accents. Open it up, and you can wrestle those straps in there. You know, just get all your buddies together right there in the bag, zip it closed, and you've got a hook to hook it on things. It's your travel adventure buddy, and that's the Half Pint bag.